It's a 2018 Cadillac XTS. This is a flagship vehicle in every regard. From impeccable details to the meticulously crafted interior, this chiseled beauty is elegant throughout. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, heated steering wheel, front-wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and automatic transmission. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.